Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy an album in the Yolobook application. You should enter the app and scroll down a little bit. Here you can press Yolobook. Here you can see that there are 4 types of albums: Maxi, Mini, Maxi S and Mini S. The difference between the Maxi and Mini is that the Maxi can house more photographs than the Mini, and it also has higher dimensions. The Maxi S and Mini S is basically a lesser version of the originals. They can only have half the pictures than the other ones can. On top of that, if you have bought multiple albums, you can have a memory box where you can store all of them. I mean 3 albums you can store in a memory box, so you can buy it if you want. In this example, I'm going to use the Mini S album and proceed with the order. You can choose a cover here, there are multiple ones. I'm going to choose the memories and the secondary cover, whichever you want. For that you select the pictures that you want in your album. In this case I have to select 24 because that is what Mini S is about. Yes, you proceed to the next step. You proceed again, and here if you really want to, you can crop the images to a size that you want. I am in this case completely okay with it. I press again this arrow down here, and it says here that I did not crop any of my photos. Do I want it or do I not? Well, I press I did because I think it's okay the way it is. And here you can proceed with the payment after pressing the next button. Well, that would be it. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.